Hello, I'm speaking to you from London, and consequently I'm dressed for Northern European winter. It's still pretty cold here, but after winter comes spring and then summer. And in the midst of all this, in June of this year, will be a wonderful event in Rome, the Eternal City, a wonderful place and one of the most magnificent cities in the world. We'll have Roma Pain Days, which will be one of the most important and wide-ranging conferences on pain, with a large variety of speakers on many topics relating to the diagnosis and the treatment of pain and many other issues as well. And I'm privileged enough to be invited to speak to you about the relationship between advances in the science of pain and pain management. So I really hope you'll join me and our many colleagues in this wonderful meeting, Roma Pain Days in June. See you all there.